What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Julia. Thanks for dropping by and welcome to another episode of Meatless Mondays. I know it's not Monday today, but you could be watching this video any day of the week, so it is what it is. Also, I had to relocate because of my new job, and the internet connection there is terrible. It's bad, it's sad, so I can only upload when I'm home and I have a stable internet connection, which is today. However, the new place I'm at now is beautiful. And the people are so wonderful. There's fog in the morning, the air is extremely fresher than it is in the city, and the people are very generous. There's a saying that goes, there's no such thing as free lunch, but there, literally, not figuratively, there is. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be part of our health-savvy community and we can all grow together. Anyways, today is Father's Day, so I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the great fathers in the world, especially mine. Happy Father's Day, Pa. You are a very selfless person. You're amazing. And no words can explain how proud I am to be your daughter. I love you. I know a lot of people are preparing for a family dinner today, and so I'd like to share my wholesome chili con veggie recipe. It's perfect for the entire family, healthy, hearty, easy to make, and very affordable. You can make it with a few ingredients that's accessible. So without further ado, let's get